Hi, my name is Felicia and I'm with Elisa Ching and we're with Updo, and Elisa is going to be showing us how you can do your own updo every day in your own home. So we're going to start off with one style today. Elisa, tell us what products you need for this.
Oh, we're just starting from the basic. We're just starting using just the hairspray. We don't need too much. A hairspray, elastic, and bobby pins.
And that's all you need. Very simple products.
Very simple product
and
to begin with.
And does it matter what kind of hairspray you have?
Doesn't matter. Any kind of, for the beginning, any kind of hairspray. As long as medium hold to hold.
To stronghold.
Yeah, to stronghold.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, what's the first step?
The first step is, right, my hair is nice and clean. I wash it this morning and I blow dry a little bit just to dry out the hair. And you see the hair still tangled right now. So what I do is I divide it in half. Every day I do different style. Every moment that my feelings is, and then I teach everybody what to do. So right now, today we can do updos. You can tidy it up on the back. You can do different style. Every day I do different style. Depending on the day that I have to go out or I don't go out, if I go to fancy places. So what I do is this is my bangs. I used to don't have bangs, and right now I cut myself bangs because of the pandemic. So what I do is I take the half of this part, I took it off. So I comb it out. It's still tangled, you see, because of the wind. So this part, I can do that. I can look after later, or I can look after right now. So what I do is I hold half of the hair. And I twist it. You see, I twist it right in between. Twist into it. So I can grab this hair and then I make a knot. When I make a knot in here, you see it? It's not perfect because I cannot see the back, but at least you can feel it. This is nice and clean. And then you can bobby pin into it. Just tack it right there, you see? One. You can put two if you like. Two bobby pins. Just to crisscross.
And crisscrossing holds it in place.
Yes, there you go. That is the main thing. And then the rest of this, you see it? The rest of this. Because you want to last the whole night. You want this to last the whole night. And then you're gonna need an elastic. Okay? Into it the whole night. There you go, you see? And then we tied it up. This is tight. So this part, if I want to, I can curling iron. If I curling iron, I just give more volume on the hair, like more fancy. I don't have to do it, you see? See? I can do it fancy, I cannot do it fancy. Every day I'm gonna give you a newer look, every day, depending on my mood. One day I feel like to do this way, another day I'm gonna feel like to do this way. If I have a man to go out, and then I do differently.
How long have you been a professional hairstylist for?
Oh, 40 years. 40 years or more.
So you're in good hands, everyone. She knows what she's doing.
Every day I'm doing hair. Every single day, you see? All the little ones that I'm holding on to it, you see? When the bobby pin is secure on the front and it tied it up, this is it. You see? So the curl, okay. You see the curl a little bit? So we tack it in. Bobby pin into it, tack it in. Tack it in, one, just make it two just for secure. So this can last you for the whole day, whole night. And you still can go out like this. You see? If you like the ends up, you can put the ends up. If you like to put the end down, you can put the end down. You see it? Every day I can change my look, depending on my mood. You know, my happiness, my day-on-day base. See?
So as we're watching this transformation happen, why do you love updos?
Because it's make a person look very elegant. Because right now the elegancy people forgot. I think.
I don't see as many people using updos anymore.
I know, because first thing first, people no time. Second thing is people, they don't care anymore. But the updo one day gonna come back. And then make the easier money, like people don't have to spend money to go and do updos, you know?
So Elisa's trying to teach people how to do this. You can save a lot of money and look very elegant at the same time by doing it yourself.
I think so. I think it's the most important thing is, you know, you feel comfortable what you're doing and learn something different technique and every day do different things. I think it's cute.
Mm-hmm. So tell us what you're doing now. I see that you're crisscrossing.
The crisscrossing, what I'm trying to do is, if I crisscross, it will never fall down.
Mm.
If I don't feel crisscross and then it's the hair, the whole day hold on to it, it won't stay in. You see this piece, how cute it looks. If I wanted to put it right around me. If I want to put it right down, and then I can put it right down. This first thing first is just when the hair is up to your face, it's very elegant. I think it's very elegant. Everybody likes different, so I teaching you because it's more easier way of doing things. It's more cuter. That's all. What do you think?
I think it looks amazing. It's very fashionable.
I think it's something different, out of the unusual. And then from there, all the sneaking out on the front, the one that you can use spray on. You can spray it on. And then you can use a blow dryer to hold on to it if you like. If you don't, you don't. And then you can spread it out, all this part. And then this part, when it's long piece, you can just attract with the curling iron. And then just have a long piece in my face. So slim down my look, because I got a chubby face.
Oh, I think it's fine. You look lovely.
I think I have a chubby face. So.
Oh, it's beautiful. And so is this hairstyle. Very nice.
Very simple. I think it's very simple.
And you did it in under 10 minutes.
Is that right?
Yeah.
I don't know. I want this off my face because I'm sweating already. I get sweat very quick, so that's why updo is very convenient for people to look elegant and simple. You know, and then all this part that you see it, you can hide it up with my magic
Accessory.
That's right.
Very nice.
Very simple. My accessory is, whenever I see something cute, you know, I just put it in. You like black, you like black, you like red, you like red. See? And then put a earring on. I don't even know how to look the back because I don't get a mirror.
It looks really nice.
And this is my turn up. What do you think?
I think it's beautiful. And I think we should tell people to like this video and share it with people so everybody can do their own updos.
And every day I'm gonna do something different.
Yes. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.